Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nosipos Tole and today we are doing this full glam look. So the reason why I chose this glam look is because the color purple has been extremely significant in South Africa in this day and age. This is symbolic to us fighting against gender-based violence. So this whole look is based on exactly that. So we're going to be diving in to do this purple eyeshadow look because I stand for the girlies, I stand for the men, I stand against every form of gender-based violence. So stay tuned and enjoy. So before I leave you guys, because I feel like this whole video has to be some sort of a tribute, and when women in South Africa were fighting against gender-based violence, we actually marched for this and we lay down for a few minutes in silence and in solitude just to, give a moment to those who've gone through this and to show that we mean business as well. But it's not always about aggression. One thing I will say is you can protest in peace, and we got things done and here we are. So I'm gonna leave you guys to it. I'm gonna play some calming music, but as someone who's been not a victim of it, but I've seen a family member go through something like this, for me, I think it should come to an end. I think it's about time that humanity in people starts to shine more than the ego, pride, and self-fulfillment. So whoever's on my channel, I always say that, like, whatever it is that you do, a true baddie is actually a woman who can do a lot. So that's what a baddie is for me. So if you are a baddie watching my channel, please try your best to also educate yourself, especially if it's some things you don't understand, some things that you are not familiar with. Before you have like an ignorant opinion on certain things, I always say please go do your personal research on it and take it from there. So yeah, let me let you guys listen to some good music.
could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. Luxury. I work too hard on my luxury. We come
If you guys have been enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. And I've really been enjoying you guys' support. And if you're new on here, please guys, please support my channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so please don't forget to share to your friends, comment below, and watch the ads. Like that girl who cried about us watching ads. Guys, she was right. Please watch our ads. That's the true support of us. So yeah, I hope you guys love this look, and love you and thank you.